There's a green 4-door pickup truck down there. You move right when I point you out. That's so insane. You move right when I point you out. I'm recording with this phone, and I'm not talking on the other one. I'm not talking on any phone. Who the fuck are you? Young Hispanic female. 22844, I think, 01 or U as an umbrella 1. Matter of fact, it's not even green. It's like a gray with some green tint to it. No, it's kind of gray. Yeah. That's just really weird. You moved right when I said that. And there was no possible way you would to have been able to hear me. Mind you, Michael uses Hispanic females. Not all of them. Just certain ones. Michael uses Hispanic females to do his dirty shit. Are you getting out the truck? Are you shopping? That's just a little weird. First I thought it was Michael, but female. Hispanic female. Nice. Nice.